Hello and assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my brand new video. In today's video we are going to learn the e-commerce banner design. First of all, we have to take a girl picture like shopping on that. After that we get the align and draw the rectangle shape and drag the color from that, and I have select the color from the girl's cloth. You can also take the color from that. After that we have to resize that and fix it like that. After that we have to type now our design is full dependent on the text typography. We are going to write 2023 best offers. It may look a light or not be visible, but that's okay. That was not big issue, but it was in video, it was not clearly visible, but you can see it from physically, that will be visible clearly. After that we have to align that thing like get the short and select the text from, like we have to select the best text like light text up on it. After that we are typing the winter clothes for men and women's, and we have to give the space over there to bring them down and resize that thing. We select the color. You have to select a light color from, not select a full black color, because it will be not looking attractive. After that select the color. You have select color and we have to cut it. Now it is looking good. Align it very carefully. After that we have to align that, draw the shape to tell them offer like shop now, that type of, like it give the best impression on the design. I'll take the color from the text like type of text and select it. After that we have to type shop now, and it give the color white to visible clearly and look more attractive, and select write your website whenever whatever website name was of your, what was your website name, type it on it and resize it, give them space. After that get the resize it and select to drag over there to look more attractive. And after we draw as ellipse tool circle. After the ellipse tool circle, type on it like 40% off on that banner design shopping mall, and we have to give the best impression logo, attractive look. For that you have to select it on that, and after that you type 40% off capital to more visible to target the attract the audience. After that we have to take some icons to look more attractive, or give the icons, it will make a best look, and also give them idea that you are also visible on social media platforms. Take the that LinkedIn icon and select the where is Facebook on, that's Facebook icon. Then select the Instagram icon, that was Instagram icon. After that the Twitter icon and Twitter icon, now it was looking more good. Select them all and Control G to group it, and color, give the color white, not white, select the color. Now wait, we have to align that carefully. After that we will change the color on it, bring them like that. Oh yes, select this all, select all and resize them like give them short, yeah, little bit more, boss, that was good. Now we have to group and change the color from the shape typing, and now give them the best good alignment to give them more attractive. Like, if you like this video, please subscribe and like this channel. Thanks for watching. You will get more videos related to the graphic